We're in Slovenia. We've driven all the way from the UK to escape the cold British summer, and we've come to find the treasure of Slovenia. And we're here in Ruša for is it the third round of the Slovenian Enduro? Yeah. And the trails are absolutely amazing.
Next level trails, man.
Phew!
Welcome to Ruša.
Good luck. Yeah, boy.
Naši traili pohorski so taki lepi, mehki traili, po njih hodijo samo pujski, pa mi.
I try, I push through the last corner, I make a move, and then Marcus comes, I push him away, and then I push and I win.
And then Mariasec comes.
And then Mariasec comes.